Hello friends, Gurmeet here from My Thread Creations. Today we'll learn how to make a neckline. The neckline is made from the fusing material. Now this fusing material is shines from one side, okay? Another part is non-shiny. This shiny part, we will stick it on our fabric. So for sticking it, you can just iron it and it will stick to the neckline fabric. Now first I will show you how to draw this neckline. For that I have taken this fusing paper. Okay. Now on this this is the folded side. You can see this is our folded side and this is our open side. On this folded side, here you have to take your neckline width, and the width where the width ends, there you have to measure the neckline diagonally. Okay. Now in my kurti, first of all we should come to know how much fusing paper we will need. So for that what you have to do, neckline width, suppose it is 3.5, add 1 inches more, that comes 4.5. So 4.5 on folded side and total that means 9 inches. So 4.5, this I have taken bigger. So you will be needing only this much. Okay, you will be needing this much fabric, fusing fabric. Okay. Now, so mark at 4.5 and length. Now as at our length is 7.5 diagonal length, so it comes to 8.5. So 8.5 diagonally it comes over here and draw a line. See, okay. So now first of all on this part we will take our neckline width, and on this part we will take a diagonal. We will measure our neckline length. So first of all, taking our neckline width, that is my 3.5, make a point, and 1 inch extra already we have taken. See, okay. So this comes our width. Draw straight line. Now measuring from this point, can you see this point? Measuring from this 3.5 inch point, measure diagonally 7.5 your neckline width. Make a mark over there like this, 1 inches down, that comes over here, and make a rectangle. So now our neckline will comprise in this rectangle area only. No need to go outside this. In this rectangle, whatever the desired shape will be given in this one. Now neckline can be drawn by 3 ways. First of all, our basic ways, that is measuring 3.5 over here and then making a shape of the desired shape, whatever it is. Secondly, by keeping this neckline, cuttings of neckline, already we are having it. Okay. Put over this and mark a point, or you can take, or alternatively you can use your kurti. This kurti neckline, just see this folded part is kept on this folded part of the fusing, and see like this, and then draw the desired shape. Whatever suits you, you can do. The 3 methods are there. Now mark the shapes. I will be showing you front only first. Okay, see, this is our shape of our front neckline. Got it? And draw one, go inside toward this side and draw a line over this also. This I will show you why I am doing this. Okay, got it? Now after drawing this curve, you can see, yes, once again draw a curve from outside like this. Okay, so this part we will cut, And first, for neckline we will cut this line. Okay, this line I will cut it down. You can see. Now first cut this outline. This is our outline. Okay. Now you can see this part. This is our shape is cut. This is our ready neckline. Now I'll cut from here this one. Okay. Now while cutting the neckline, cut this line. Okay, you can see I have made it dark. This one. This line, this dark line you will be cutting. Hope you will enjoy my videos, and please do subscribe if you like my videos. And if you have any comment, any doubt regarding my tutorials, you can just comment in the comment box, or you can visit my website also. So this is our neckline. You can see like this. Okay, this is our ready neckline. Now why I cut this in two parts? See why? See, because what will happen, if I cut from this side on this, then chances are there that while sewing the neckline, the machine can go on this part, and so it becomes thicker while you after sewing it. Now after sewing, I'll show you how I've taken this part. Now why I cut it this one? Because after sewing, what happens when we bring it inside out, the fabric is quite thicker, and so when we sew over it, the finishing machine, and at that time we feel quite difficulties we get it. So to avoid it, I have always cut from this side. Now you can see this line also is there. Okay, now this line I will be cutting this line now. Now I will be using this part on my fabric. Now take the fabric and fold it in the same manner the way we take in our fusion fabric, and keep this ready, this cutting. Now keep this cutting on this one and mark it. Okay, you can see. Now in this fabric also you have to take the same, that the rectangle measurement will be the same that our fusing is having. Okay, so same 4.5 from here, and either 8 or 8.5 inches rectangle. So now you can see I have cut down this shape of the fabric. Now keep this neckline on this. Now see, you can see the center part of our fabric, the fusing fabric, and this center part of this one. Keep like this and iron it. See, now you understand why I left the space. So our machine will be running on this part, not on this fabric, fusing fabric, neither on this or not alongside of this. So it will be running on the fabric, not on the fusing fabric. Now see, I have ironed it. This, so it's a stick over here. Okay, so this was our tutorial. Now how to complete this neckline I'll be showing you in my next video. Till then, hope you will subscribe our channel, and if you find any doubt, do please tell me, and I'll try to rectify your issues earliest. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.